I got this really cute S acrylic blank from Mizzy's Doodles. I took off the backing on the back of the S and sanded it with a sanding block. I'm using Resin Rockers UV resin, and I'm just going to take a little bit and spread that really thinly on the back. Now I'm just going to take a Q-tip around the S on the sides to make sure that I don't have any dripping of the UV resin. Taking the glitter color Lavender Lust, we're going to sprinkle that on the wet UV resin on the top and bottom. And then we're going to take the glitter color Your Kiwing Me and sprinkle that in the middle. Cure that under your UV light for the recommended time for your UV resin. Once that has cured, we're going to grab our UV resin again, and I like to just start by placing a bead of resin right in the middle, and then taking a silicone brush and kind of pushing it to the edge of the shape, and then adding UV resin where it's not self-leveling. You may just need to add a little bit more. Once you have a good coat on there, go ahead and cure with your UV lamp. Now flip your keychain over and remove that protective paper. Then give it a good sand with your sanding block to get it prepped for the rhinestones. I am using the transparent mix of mermaid tears from Diamond Fire Rhinestones, and I just took some liquid fusion glue and transferred it over to the squeeze bottle. We're just going to do a small section at a time, and when we apply our glue, it's just a very, very thin layer, enough where the rhinestones will stick. But if you are placing your rhinestone and the glue is kind of pushing up and around the sides, you have too much glue. Now that that little section is finished, we're going to continue on with the next section by just adding a little bit of glue. I kind of just let it fall out of my bottle, and then I use the nozzle to spread it out thin enough. Now, since these are a mixed size of mermaid tears, I like to just think of it kind of like a puzzle, and you're just finding the piece that goes in that spot perfectly. Once your glue is all dry, you can add some keychain hardware and maybe a cute tassel and beads to match like I did, and your cute little initial keychain is all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust.